ourselves.
I just lose ya.
To liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said. The whole world in a crisis. Man, I move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets of the road. It's a crunch time.
We talk about Beachy Stout all the time, but this I'm gonna talk about Miss Tonia McDonald. This is her story. She was married to Beachy Stout and she got murdered, and now Beachy Stout is going through a trial for her murder. In 2007, she met Beachy Stout. She had went to Titchfield High School, lived with her parents, a very guarded middle class family. She went to study business administration because she wanted to start her own business. But in 2007, she met Beachy Stout. She was 19 years old and Beachy Stout was 52. In 2009, Beachy Stout's first wife died, murdered, and Beachy Stout and Tonia became an item. Now, before Beachy Stout's wife died, she and Tonia, Beachy Stout's first wife, always had problems. So when his wife died, the first one, him and Tonia tied the knot. Like I said, Beachy Stout was a wealthy businessman. We in Jamaica, we know every girl, their dream is to find a rich man. And this girl, she was very much drawn to Beachy Stout because he was very, very rich, still is. And she liked the lifestyle, but because she was young, she started to venture out and started cheating on Beachy Stout. Now, Beachy Stout, he was a very insecure person, as we all see what's going on in his trial. But she was young, naive, and she stepped out on him and cheated on Beachy Stout. Stepped out of her marriage with a policeman in 2015. And I figure more or less, because of the kind of person Beachy Stout was, you know, she wanted somebody less aggressive, less jealous. You know, she wanted somebody who was secure about themselves. So she did step out with a policeman in 2015. And word have it that Beachy Stout found out. It also came out in the trial that they would have arguments. He would, once they close up their business and they go home, there would be arguments all the time. They try to keep an outside appearance. He also had people watching her. So by 2019, this thing was going down the drain. What he also did was he was very abusive, and that even pushed her further away from Beachy Stout. Now, Beachy Stout also killed Tonia McDonald's father, because her father used to intervene, and Beachy Stout, he got tired of her father. Now all of this was confirmed in the trial, and one of the hitman that Beachy Stout paid told it in the courts. So this is a proven fact. You see how dangerous Beachy Stout is? Now this case is crazy because she gave the youth Denverlin money in front of Beachy Stout, 500,000 to get a gun because she wanted to kill the person who killed her father. Now after she leave, Beachy Stout told him to take the money as a down payment on her murder, on the hit for her, to kill her. Now he said he couldn't do it because he was sleeping with her, and what he did, he hired somebody else to do the job. How sick is that? You see what money can do? Listen to this. Now Denverlin in the court said that they made many attempts to kill her. The guy he got, name was Oscar, a 30-year-old youth. Now one day they planned to kill her when she got home, and for some reason, this was said in the court, she ran to the grill and then the housekeeper let her in. So he, Beachy Stout, Denverlin said, was very pissed off about this. How sick is this? This is gonna get very graphic, and you know, I'm gonna say this because I usually get emotional and caught up in my stories. You know, Beachy Stout, if there's anybody that needs to be hanged, it's Beachy Stout. He should have manned up and plead guilty for this. But let me tell you what they did to this young lady. She had given Denverlin, that's Beachy Stout right hand, 500,000 to go get the gun. Denverlin told her, listen, they got the gun, but they have to go pick it up. And Oscar Barnes, the hired hitman, contract killer, would have to ride with them. Now, she didn't know she was riding to her death. You understand? They took her on some back road, I think the place named Sherwood Forest, and at a junction, Oscar Barnes, the hitman, tell her to stop. Denverlin came out of the car, you understand? He, Oscar Barnes, the hitman, stabbed this lady over 12 times. You understand? In her neck, in her chest, in her back, in her trachea. And then, after that, he cut her throat. You understand? Now, after that, they burnt her body. Why they did that? Denverlin, the guy who went to the police, he said that's how Beachy Stout wanted it done. He hated his wife because she was cheating on him and doing all sort of stuff. But I'm quite sure he was probably doing the same thing. Now, he also is alleged that he killed his first wife, and I think he is going to be on trial for that also. So, Denverlin in court said that's how Beachy Stout wanted it done, and they set her body on fire. The reason why we're hearing about this, Beachy Stout didn't pay the $3 million, and Denverlin went to the police and confessed and told the police. He got 19 years to life with parole in 10 years. Beachy Stout and Oscar Barnes, they're still on trial. Now, like I said, when you look at a case like this, it is one of the worst cases I've ever seen in my life. And the sad part about this is that in Jamaica, there's ton more of these kind of cases in Jamaica. And people say countryman is crazy. Listen, I hope I explain it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. But Beachy Stout